Hello, this is George Senda, the real, authentic, official, original, the one, the only, the official, the guy from Pittsburgh. Accept no cheesy YouTube commentators, imposters, trolls, or trolls who copy my video content and titles while wearing cat mask. All right, this is my haul video, but first I want to tell you what happened tonight. And I had no idea because a week ago or so, I was given Safeway bags by Safeway, and it wasn't a problem. And now the state of California said you can't carry in any bags from home. I guess I don't even know if purses or laptop bags are allowed. So I get to the store, and they give me this. And I had my backpack, and I can't carry heavy things because my right arm, I tore the rotator cuff, and it will probably never get fixed. And I don't know if it's ever going to heal. And it hurts like hell if I carry heavy stuff. So I got to the store and talked to the manager. He said it's okay. He talked to his manager, so it's okay. I know you. You come in the store all the time, but you can't bring anything outside the store. Nothing personal bags from home, and I had no idea. They've changed the rules. And then the other thing, it's getting crazy out there. In Roseville, where I used to live, the police showed up at a church because someone may have left a bomb there. And inside the store were 3 black women. And the one black woman wasn't there when I got to the bus stop. And, gee, something just fell in the cat water. And the 2 women are there at the bus stop. They're talking. And one was thin and the other one was very, very busty. I mean, she made Kathy look like a boy. And they're both wearing masks, they're both wearing gloves, and while they're talking, and then a homeless person came up and sat next to me, so I had to move. And I did a video of the street with my other cell phone, so you'll see that later on tonight. And they're standing there. It's got this Asian guy comes driving up. And it's not racist that they were black, and it's not. That's who they were. And it's not racist. This guy was an alien, but this guy was a scumbag. He drives up with his Honda with the window rolled down, and he goes, "Are you 2 prostitutes?" And they shoot him out. "We're going to take your license plate number." And my jaw's dropping. Like, they can't even wait for the bus. And after they left, the thin one went to the busty one and said, "It must come those big boobies of yours." She said, "Yeah, I guess so." I couldn't believe it. The guy's looking. We got the coronavirus, a pandemic. We're not supposed to even be near them, much less touch them, have sex with them. And this guy's wanting sex. So that's what the craziness is. All right. I'm going like, what the hell's going on? Okay, first of all, it's back. Your favorite, folks. The ever popular toilet paper. They had toilet paper, and I got 2 packages of it. Yay! So this is some kind of toilet paper from somewhere. It's in Spanish. It's not even English. I don't care where it comes from. It's toilet paper. Okay. The cool pad just fell on the floor. And I'm so glad that I can use my Mac now with the cool pad. It's the best $55 I ever spent. And I don't have to pay Xfinity. All right, we have a loaf of bread. So, and I've got all these bags now that I can't take. I'm going to wind up at about 187 bags when this thing gets over. I guess I can use them for cat litter bags or something. They had no orange juice. They had no oranges. Welch's grape juice. I'm craving oranges. Grapes. A bunch of beef and bean burritos because they're cheap. They're 40 cents. All right, we have here, I hope I got room for this stuff, Green Giant Simply Steamed Garden Vegetable Medley, sugar snap peas, roasted potatoes, red peppers, and garden herbs. So I got 2 of those, lightly sauced. Oh, here's another one, lightly sauced broccoli, carrots, cauliflower, and cheese sauce. And there's 2 more. There's 1 broccoli and 1 with the snap peas. So I got that. Oh my God! I got 5 pounds of potatoes. I was debating whether to get 5 pounds of red, but 10 pounds of potatoes. But I don't think I could have carried it. And I had one Food Maxx card that had 65 cents on it. I'll open this, so I won't be able to take my backpack to the store anymore. Okay. And I fixed my cloth mat. There's more bags. Guess I'll use those for garbage or just save them until things get normal again. All right, we have, this was the only cheap chili, that $1.38 chunky chili with beans. So I got 4 cans of the chili. Nobody has my Irish cream. I got Hershey's Chocolate Caramel International Delight Creamer for my coffee. And I got peach Snapple. I dreamt about peach Snapple last night. Go figure. And I got the bag of potatoes. And there will be a burger unboxing after I get done with this. Okay. I got Kellogg's Frosted Flakes. They're great. And I got a thing of waffles. There were very few blueberry waffles. So I got waffles. I got here's another burrito. I got 2 Benny's Beef Frank Bagel Dogs. There's the beef and bean burrito. Go with its friends. Now this was to go partly in the stew I'm going to make tomorrow with the crock pot, and I'll film that with the phone camera. This is beef chuck tender steak. This is $4.99 a pound, 2.69 pounds, but it's a lot of steak. So I'll make a couple of these up as steaks and throw the rest in the crock pot with the stew meat. $13.42. I got a thing of Nestle's cocoa. It was so cold near last night I had to run the heaters again. And we have Devour 3-way pep, bold and spicy quarter cut, thin uncured pepperoni, diced pepperoni, gooey mozzarella cheese, and savory tomato sauce on a thick crust. This stuff is really good. And then we have the last thing, Devour Pizza, ultimate sausage and peppers, sweet Italian sausage, fire roasted bell peppers, caramelized onions, smoked provolone, gooey mozzarella cheese, and savory tomato sauce in a thick crust. I'm going to have that for dinner. And some veggies. So I can't use my bags now. So these are going to get hung up until the duration, whenever that is. And I thought these were plastic. And they said they're vinyl, but the state says you're not allowed to bring any bags from home. So I don't know what to do with these after they find a vaccine. We'll be able to get bags from home, or we'll all go to plastic bags. The environmentalists who made us go to these bags are going to go nuts. They're probably already going nuts. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great night. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool, as the case may be. Stay warm and dry and cool and dry. Stay safe. And Monument Boulevard, I've only seen 3 news stories where they arrested women trying to be prostitutes in the last 15 years. But that was crazy. A standing, the guy drives up. Are you prostitutes? Who has sex during an epidemic or a pandemic where you're not even supposed to touch anybody? That was crazy. All right, bye-bye for now.